Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete all posts from Facebook page at once. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Facebook app right over here. So we will be here in the home section. You have to make sure that you have switched to your Facebook page. I have switched to my Facebook page right over here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the home section and tap on your profile icon on top left corner. And now go ahead, tap on this three dot icon on top. And now simply go to the section of activity log. Here you will find an option of manage posts. Because I do not have any posts right over here in my page, that's why you cannot see that, but you need to simply go to this three dot again and go to activity log, and you will find a manage post. Go ahead, tap on the manage post and choose all the posts of yours and then move them to trash. When you have moved them to trash, after 30 days they will be permanently deleted. And once you have moved them to trash, you will not find anything here on your page as well. And at the same time, you can also find manage post below as well. When you go over there, you can simply go to all posts and simply tap on all posts, choose all posts, and again tap and move them to trash. That's what you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.